Well, hello there. I have now improved the art program, even though this was never supposed to be an art program to begin with. Uh, we'll get to what it's actually supposed to be with. I'll get to what it's actually supposed to be eventually, but as we can see, we have some of my really kind of crappy pixel art just to show that it's actually on a texture. We have it over here. Um, let's go ahead and restart just so we get a clean image we're working with. So I wanted to. Oh, that's bad. It does have a few glitches now that it's in a scroll window. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix those eventually. But it's doing okay. You know. Um. So, anyways, we can draw stuff. We have a color picker over here. Right now, there's not very many. Well, I guess it's a palette. Not very many colors there yet. So let's draw a little dude or something. Yeah, he's happy. Oh yeah, well he's not really happy, but then like give him a something there. Not really sure what. Like I say, my pixel art is somewhat subpar. Yeah, boy. All right, and then like we could give him a. Oh yeah, yeah, because that worked out well. I bet I could fix it though. I can fix it. I can't fix it. Um, but yeah, this is what I'm working with at this point. So pretty cool. Anyways, and then if we want to go to like a different part of the image, we can scroll there. We can grab some green. I don't know. Probably making a plant would be easier. Something like a three-leaf clover or something here. Oh yeah. We could add some definition, I guess. Blue might no, blue's pretty bad too. Like so. But yeah, as we can see, it shows up over here. You can also see some of the. Oh, that's bad. If you accidentally scroll into the image, it does that. Um, there are some little things that occur. It actually hasn't happened that much right now, but there can be some things. Let's see. I've got an idea. I have an idea. This is not the idea, but you know what? Who really cares? You know, at the end of the day, who cares about? Actually, this could be red. Oh yeah, and then bit of water. And you know, you put an eyeball in there, and this is always what happens when I make a program. I get invested, and then it's all over because then I'm just playing around. Um, but yeah, there you go. I like to kind of show that got a fishing line. You can see that over here now. Somehow I've gotten a pixel down here that we didn't want. But yeah, this wasn't meant to be an art program. That's not what it's made for. But oh, we've got some blank space. Look at this. Look at this. Get our preschool drawings out for the lads. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, that's a nice house right there. Oh, man. Yep. Sign me up. Sign me up to go live in that house. Great. Fantastic. Let's see. Anyways, um, that's all I really wanted to show is what I've got working now. So I learned a lot. This will be helpful for my project, but and this should be helpful some other time when I actually need, if I ever need to do something like this that needs drawing, I now kind of know how to do it. So yeah, until next time.